Any asset count limitations? I don't think so. There's probably a number, maybe like it's somewhere in the millions, I would say. That being said, there is a limitation that is going to be coming on pricing. So the way that this is going to work with assets in the future is that it's going to be basically usage-based pricing. Anything up to 50,000 assets is completely free. From there, you're paying per assets. It's like a fraction of a penny or something like that. And the more assets you have, the cheaper it gets per asset. So that I believe is coming this year, although they've announced it and kind of teased it quite a bit, and it still hasn't come out. But I don't think you'll run into any limitations. I've done imports in the millions, and I've never run into any with clients that I've worked with. So definitely, if you have like over 10 million, that's where I'd maybe double check. Maybe do check with Atlassian directly, see if there's any limitations there. But anything like under that 10 million amount, you shouldn't have any issues. Hey, real quick. Every company has goals and every company has tools like Jira, but almost every company is missing the middle. This is a system that connects your goals to the work your team actually does every single day. And without it, you end up chasing updates, sitting through status meetings, and wondering where projects actually stand. We call this missing middle the execution layer. And I recorded a free 90-second breakdown that shows you how the grid operating system fixes this missing middle. Links in the description below, and back to the video.